Hello everyone, I'm Jason Mockerman. I teach over at Rear Review High School, science teacher, and today we're going to go over the different pieces of technology that we're going to use for the concurrent classroom setup. All right, we're going to start with the Jabra Panicast. This is the camera that we're going to use for our concurrent learners. Also, we have our USB cable in the box as well. Along with that, we get a stand. So this is the desk stand that we will use. Simply screw the base in. And you have two ways in which you can set this up. Straight like this, that allows the camera to pan up, or this that allows the camera to pan down, so it can be like a dock cam. Lastly, we have our Bluetooth speaker mic combo. This will connect to our laptops wirelessly, but can also be connected directly to the computer, and it's both a speaker and a microphone. It comes with a nice case. All right, so we have the connection cable, USB cable for the camera. We can see it's a normal USB on one end, a USB-C on the other end. This is the end that will plug into the camera. On the back of the camera, it has a place to plug in. It doesn't matter if you plug it in this way or this way. It doesn't matter because it's USB-C. It also comes with these nice little clips to allow you to clip it onto the stand.